can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this.
Hey guys, I'm going to talk to you today a little bit about a famous German philosopher by the name of Immanuel Kant. My partner and I did a little experiment, so we want to talk to you a little bit about it. Who's Immanuel Kant? Well, he was someone who believed that there were certain rules in life that everyone must abide by. He called this the categorical imperative. So an imperative is basically a form of a statement that tells us that we have to do something, right? It's without question. Well, he believed that there were some of those things that were certainly without question. Some of those things we still use today a lot. So included in the categorical imperative, in order to answer if something is universal, you can ask yourself before you make a decision, can I will that everybody should act this way? If the answer is no, then the action's not right. It's not moral. So just don't do it. For example, if you lie, then would it be okay for everybody to lie this way? And also, the next thing that you're going to ask is, does my action actually respect people as people? You don't want to use people to get certain things that you want just for your satisfaction. And there's really no benefit to that person, basically. If your answer is yes to all of this, then you're good. You're acting morally. So he basically says that you have a duty to act morally. So now that you guys have the background of actually who Immanuel Kant is, we have a little experiment here for you. So check this out. Hey, how are you?
Hi.
How can I help you?
Hi. Let me try one of these strawberry banana smoothies.
Okay, awesome. I'll get the guys to get ready for you. That'll be $3.
All right.
At 20. There you go. Thank you. We'll have it right out to you.
Okay.
Thanks.
All right.
Hey, how's it going?
All right.
How can I help you?
Yeah, let me try one of these strawberry banana smoothies.
Okay, I'll get the guys to get it right out for you. That'll be $3.
All right.
Okay. Out of 20. Is that right? How much should I give you?
I just gave you a 10.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you gave me way too much.
I only owe you $7.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
No, it's okay.
Whew, that's really scary.
No, I don't,
How many times does that actually happen?
I just want to do
Nobody
the right
ever
thing.
gives their money back. I mean, I think people don't understand that comes out of my pocket. It actually doesn't come out of
Yeah,
the
exactly.
Wow, that's awesome. Thank you so
No
much.
problem.
Have a great day. I'll get them to bring it right out.
All right,
okay?
thanks. Let's talk about what you just watched. In test 1, it was clear that Tasha gave me too much money, but I didn't say anything. According to Kant, if I thought that was right, that would be a universal truth, therefore I could apply it to everyone. Enough said. Test 2, I said something to Tasha about her giving me too much money. Also, according to Kant, if I thought this was the moral thing to do, the right thing to do, and I could apply this universally, therefore that would fit the categorical imperative. So all that would be cool. Now, how do we connect these tests to the critical thinking guide? Well, here's how. We connect them to the intellectual traits or virtues chart. And first we're going to start out with Intellectual humility. In test 1, I was not very humble into what I did. I was more arrogant in the fact that I thought the money was mine. Intellectual courage in test 1, I didn't show much of either. I was more of a coward and going with the ideal that everybody should just take the money. Intellectual empathy, I did not show in test 1 because I did not put myself in Tasha's shoes. What if that was me giving out too much money and the customer didn't say anything? Intellectual autonomy showed in test 1 that I was not well equipped to think on my own, and I was not in charge of my beliefs and my inferences. However, according to Kant, if I thought taking the money, if I thought stealing was universally applied, I would be fine. Intellectual integrity. Was I true to my own thinking in taking the money in test 1? Again, according to Kant, it could have been, but it probably wasn't. Intellectual perseverance. Did I persevere in test 1 to overcome the frustrations and the obstacles and the difficulties to win a struggle against this? No, I just took the easy way out and I was lazy and I just took the money. Confidence and reason. Was I reasonable in taking the money? According to Kant, I could have been. Or was I just not looking at the evidence and what would it cause if I took the money? Was I being fair in test 1 when I took the money? Most people would say no. However, again, according to Kant, if I felt like I was being fair in taking the money, then that would be fine, as long as I could apply that universally. So there you have how we have applied the intellectual virtues and traits to the critical thinking guide according to Kant's categorical imperative.
can't touch this.